Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another adventure of Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning. What we got going on this morning is something a little bit different. We're going to be heading up to Milan, New Hampshire, and we're going to do a drain that we don't run into really anymore. They're starting to fade away, but they are out there and they are forgotten. And what we're doing is an old dry well, a dry well connected to a laundry line and a kitchen sink. Both are backing up today. So we're going to go up there, we're going to take a look at it, we're going to take some videos of it, and we're going to explain what is dry well, just in case you have one and don't realize it. It's going to be an old farmhouse. It's located, like I said, up in Milan, New Hampshire, and we're going to go check it out, and we're going to explore it, and we're going to explain it. What is it, why it was put in, and if you have one, you have one, and if you don't, you don't. So we're going to go drive up to Milan, New Hampshire, and see what's going on. See you soon. We're off to Milan, New Hampshire. Going to go clear that drain. Oh, a nice day today out today. Beautiful. Sunshine's going to be out. I thought it was going to be rained on, but it doesn't appear that we're going to be rained on, so it's going to be excellent work weather today. On our way. Nice river views on our nice drive all the way up to Milan, New Hampshire. Well, here along the side of the road of Milan, New Hampshire is the rebuilding of the old NASA ski jump. Years ago, Olympic teams used to come here to practice doing the long jump. Let's focus in a little bit on that. Famous spot, a lot of history here. Still don't know why people do those jumps. That's crazy. I'd die on that, that's for sure. But rumor has it being rebuilt to be reused again. You ever come up the Mile in New Hampshire? Stop by and check out the old ski jump. See if we can get in on that a little bit more. Unbelievable, people used to rocket off of that and jump. Crazy. Zoom out, give you an idea about the distance we go with that. So, a little bit of history from Milan, New Hampshire. Okay, we're getting ready to pass Milan Lumber, and the weather changed. The biggest employer of Milan, New Hampshire. Customer of ours for many, many years. It was nice and sunny when I left, but like they say, New England, if you don't like the weather, wait 5 minutes. Holy moly, look at that lid. You don't see that every day. How cool. 1/4-inch steel cover. An old tie-all over the top. Don't see many of those signs anymore. Pretty cool. You really don't know what you're gonna find at an old farmhouse. Okay, so we got our camera in there. It's black. I'm hitting a bunch of sludge. So I'm gonna try to hit it with the mini jetter. 3-inch clay pipe running up from here to the building. Line's probably never been cleaned before. Not too often you get accessibility into a dry well. Okay, so what we got here is not a dry well. This is a cesspool with a septic tank added closer to the house. So this was probably the original cesspool to the old farmhouse, at least 100 years old. So we used our mini jetter. And you can see, looks like a baffle up in there. And we used our mini jetter over here, clear it out. And there is tank lid right over here. You can hear everything flowing in there. You can see all the soap and everything flowing in there. We can see the baffle. So what we have going on was probably a clogged outflow from the septic tank here.
Yeah.
Going to what is a cesspool, which is being used as your leach line. It always pays to look around because you never know what access can be hidden underneath the wishing well. The outflow of the tank, like I said, running to that old cesspool. They thought it was a dry well, and it turns out not to be a dry well. So everything is tied in together. I went inside, saw all the piping, and there was no separate pipe leading towards a possibility of a dry well. Oh well, we keep New Hampshire flowing. Okay, so it turned out not to be a dry well. Darn, I was hoping to catch one of those things to show you all, but I'll come across one of those again. So what it was is from the septic tank to a cesspool, which is being used as a leach field. Line in between the middle was full of gunk, so we jetted up flex shaft and got that whole pipe opened up now, so water will leave the septic tank and head to that leach field. It is undersized for usage, but they're an elderly couple, so they don't use a lot of water, so it will run. So that's the history on that one. We keep New Hampshire flowing. See you on the next call. Always remember, beep beep, we keep New Hampshire flowing.